Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by identifying exactly what the strike is for and who issued it. Read the notice, note dates, and capture screenshots. This matters because platforms evaluate timing and context. Once done, collect original files, release forms, and timestamps so you can prove ownership or fair use. Make sure to record the appeal window and available automated tools right away, because early responses often prevent escalation and preserve options for counter notice or human review. You now prepare a focused appeal that states the issue, why the strike is incorrect, and the outcome you want. Explain the how and why. Include timestamps, file names, and permissions so reviewers can verify claims quickly. If applicable, edit or temporarily remove content to show good faith. This can speed reinstatement. Then submit the platform's appeal form or a formal counter notice with attachments. Make sure to keep polite, factual language, because reviewers respond better to clear, verifiable cases. You finish by actively following up and documenting every step. Once you submit an appeal, note expected response times and use escalation options if the platform misses them. This matters when deadlines affect account status. If the strike is removed, save confirmation and change metadata or permissions to prevent repeat issues. If denied, consider formal dispute pathways or legal advice. One troubleshooting tip: if automatic systems keep flagging content, alter file properties and resubmit with clear provenance to avoid repeat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.